It's Quattro season. Everybody, welcome back to the vlog. If it's your first time, man, subscribe to my channel. We about to go outside. It's Quattro season. It's snowing out here, so it's a little dangerous, but trust in the all-wheel drive and just a little bit of control should be all right. So surprisingly, then come outside and leak out all that coolant out that TT. I told madman them, man. How did I drive? Put down.
Hey,
a big snowstorm.
6 of them, bro. Alright, let's get this shit home.
It's fucking crazy out here. Sure good. Yeah, can still a climb hill. Dog, them pull over again. More coolant. Run out of coolant. Ah, shit. Come in, boys. Let's make it home. Man, on the check engine light, come on. That should probably got slow in the, what's the name? The intercooler. Cool, Fred. Slippery as shit, so I can't give the car too much rev or else the back end is gonna slide out a lot and I can't control the rear when it's spinning, only the front. So if you're gonna do this, dead ass, this car is already beat up. It got hit in the back, the doors are fucked up, so I'm not really scared to fuck around in this car. But if you're gonna do this, just make sure you got an open area, don't do no dumb shit like and crash your good car, you know what I mean? So yeah, safety rule.
Terrible out here, my friends. It's like a snowstorm.